IgA nephropathy is the most common cause of glomerulonephritis in the world and generally occurs in young adults. That's a lot of words, so let's break it down. Glomerulonephritis is damage to the glomeruli. The glomeruli are the filter system of the kidney made up of capillaries and the glomerular filtration barrier. Damage to the glomeruli can cause patients to leak blood into their urine. This is generally in such small amounts that it cannot be seen by eye. In some cases, there can also be a rash, abdominal pain, or high blood pressure. Patients can also leak protein into their urine, leading to low levels of protein in their blood and therefore leg, arm and face swelling, although this can be less noticeable than in other kidney conditions. IgA is short for immunoglobulin A, which is part of the immune system mainly found in mucus and the bloodstream. It is one of the first lines of defence the body has against infection. In patients with IgA nephropathy, these IgA molecules clump together in large clusters which get stuck in the glomeruli and can cause damage. Imagine the glomeruli as a tiny sieve and the IgA act like really clumpy flour. Sometimes the IgA sticks together so much that it gets stuck in the glomeruli, causing damage and making the holes even bigger. This stops it from filtering the blood properly. Why this happens in some patients is still not understood, although in some patients it can happen following commonly occurring infections. Patients will generally fall into 3 categories over time: a third improving and never having symptoms again, a third will have their disease controlled with medication, and a third who unfortunately progress to the point of needing dialysis or a kidney transplant. There is currently no specific treatment for IgA nephropathy. In the majority of patients, strict regulation of blood pressure with specific medicines called ACE inhibitors or ARBs will help to control the disease, but in others, more intensive treatment with steroids and chemotherapy is required. Despite no directed therapy being widely available at present, there are now a number of clinical trials showing promise for medications designed specifically to treat IgA nephropathy.